today we will learn about technology, survival, and common sense. Sadly, however, common sense is not so common after all. Seen here is the Bt male connector in its natural habitat. Flat and curved, it seeks for a right partner. Next to him, of course, is a female in her upright position, ever so ready to accept him for a proper connection. The male plug is ready to unleash his 300 mAh payload upon her as well. There are forces, however, in nature that may prevent this solid connection and destroy the harmony and symphony of amperes. And that is the lack of common sense. Design flaw or not, we, the higher form of species, must learn to recognize shapes and understand interconnectivity for a worry-free life. Thank you for watching, and we hope you continue to support technology so that it may thrive for generations to come.